Samut-saring makukulay na performance at presentation ng nagbigay kinang sa Beyond 75 the GMA Anniversary Special. Ang ilang highlights sa chika ni Athena Imperial.
Shining and extraordinary ang all-out performances ng mga Kapuso stars sa Beyond 75 the GMA Anniversary Special. Isa sa highlights ng program ang playful at modern rendition ni Alden Richards at Michael V ng SB19 hit song na Dungka. Nang haranan naman si Dingdong Dantes kasama ang bandang Ben and Ben. Pasabog naman ang song and dance performance ng past and present generations ng mga sangre. Sa pag-awit ni Aisal Santos at Christian Bautista, kinilala ang mga mamamahayag ng GMA Integrated News and GMA Public Affairs. Binigyang pugay din ang ilang pumanaw na icon sa mundo ng showbiz at news industry. Nag-ala Lady Gaga at Bruno Mars naman sina Julian San Jose at Sam Concepcion sa kanilang powerful duet. Di rin nagpahuli ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition housemates with their live and virtual performance. Sa pagdiriwang ng Diamond Anniversary ng Kapuso Network, inalala ni GMA Network Chairman Attorney Felipe L. Gozon ang humble beginnings ng GMA.
From the very beginning, we were fearless. And that spirit still lives in everything we do. Our rise as the country's most trusted and most awarded network wasn't easy. But it was based on solid foundation, built by journalists, editors, storytellers, dreamers, believers, and a nation that never stopped tuning in.
Nagpasalamat si GMA Network President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr. sa mga bumubuo ng network, gayon din sa mga naging bahagi ng 75 years journey ng GMA.
GMA is where we all belong. We have laughed, cried, learned, and grown together. We were there to celebrate our country's triumphs over adversaries and threats. As we look beyond 75, we venture into a new frontier while embracing a future of even greater challenges with hearts full of gratitude and optimism in the pursuit of the same excellence that has brought us to this remarkable evening together.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happening.